Hello, Dr. Michelle Jorgensen here with Living Well with Dr. Michelle. You know, it's cold out today. I'm seeing my breath as I'm talking right now. I've got my big coat on, but I can just go back inside and get into the warm and my heater, my warm home. But you know, there's a lot of things that have happened this year in 2020 that we couldn't have predicted, that we didn't know were coming, and that honestly, a lot of people weren't prepared for. Well, what if we don't have the warm home to go into? What if there's other things that happen, natural disasters, man-made disasters? Who knows what could happen that maybe could take out electricity? What would we do without electricity? What would you do without electricity? Do you know what to do with the food that you've stored? Do you know how to cook it? Have you prepared to do that? Do you know what you need to do if you have to leave your home? If a natural disaster or something makes it an unsafe place to be? Do you know what to take with you? Do you know what to prepare and pack so that you will be ready to leave quickly if you must? Do you know how to communicate during an emergency? Have you set up an emergency plan? Do you know how to grow food even in the middle of the winter? These are the kinds of things that I've been studying for years, and I found a lot of friends that are very like-minded and have been studying these things as well, and we want to share with you. And so right now we are doing a seminar called Be Prepared, and that's just a simple name because it's a simple topic. Sorry, I'm shaking because it's cold. It's a simple name because it's a simple topic. We want to teach you and help you be prepared. So please sign up at the link below. Registration is filling up extremely fast. I got nearly 100 registrants in less than a day because this is a topic everyone is interested in. So don't be left out. Join today, the Be Prepared conference. It's next weekend, and it's going to be short, fast, sweet topics that you need to know for whatever may come. So please, I hope you join us. See you soon.